Counting Kisses by Katz. Counting Kisses. My tired little baby, do you need a kiss? 10 little kisses on teeny tiny toes. 9 laughing kisses on busy wriggly feet. 8 squishy kisses on chubby yummy knees. 7 loud kisses on a pretty belly button. 6 tickly kisses on baby's dimpled chin. 5 quick kisses on an itty bitty nose. 4 warm kisses on 2 baby hands. 3 fuzzy kisses on sweet little ears. 2 gentle kisses on tired closing eyes. 1 last kiss on your sleepy, dreamy head. And now it's time for baby's bed. The end.